Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Copy.ai for landing page SEO drafts, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for Copy.ai and press enter. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will now see a prompt asking for your email address. Enter your email address in the provided field. After that, click on the Continue button. Next, check your email inbox for a verification email from Copy.ai. Open the email and locate the login link. Click on the link to access your account. You may be prompted to enter your password if you are not already logged in. If you don't have an account, you can create one by clicking on the Sign Up button instead. Once logged in, you will be directed to the Copy.ai dashboard. From here, look for the option labeled Templates. Click on Templates to explore various options available. Search for Landing Page SEO in the template search bar. Select the Landing Page SEO Draft template. You will now be taken to the editing interface. You can customize the template by filling in the relevant fields. Once you are satisfied with your draft, click the Generate button. Your landing page SEO draft will be generated shortly. Review the content generated to make any final adjustments. When ready, you can save or export your draft. Congratulations, you have successfully logged in and created a landing page SEO draft using Copy.ai. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.